It's Brandon coming to you from Mills GM here in Baxter, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a 2020 Chevy Suburban, and beautiful vehicle here. Let's see, stock number 2A210045. You've got remote start, heated seats, let's see, power lift gate and everything here. Quicksilver or silver ice, and this thing is beautiful. If you need that extra long, that extra length in the back end there, this is what you want. Brand new tires on this bad boy. We're just getting this out on the lot here just for our tent event that's going on here in just over a week. You've got Wi-Fi as well. You can connect 7 devices within 50 feet of this bad boy. Heated leather, as I mentioned, power seats on both sides. You've got Bose sound system as well in here, and much more. This is the LT. Second row, you got the bench so you can fit as many people as any full-size SUV can fit in here. Very clean, non-smoking. You're seeing it in the rod, hasn't quite been fully detailed yet. It does have the tow package as well, backup camera, backup sensors here as well. You've got, like I mentioned, that third row here, plenty of room, about 18 more inches than the normal standard short Yukon or Tahoe. Power lift gate, as I mentioned here as well, and much more. You've got your 4-wheel drive, which is auto and 4-high as well. Lane departure warning with lane keep assist, power brake and gas pedals, tilt and telescoping steering wheel. You've got a lot in this bad boy. Memory seats as well, power folding mirrors. So if you want to check this out, do so soon here. Got plenty of vehicles, but tough to find these XLs and these Suburbans. So give us a call, 218-829-3504, or visit us worldwide, millsgmcbaxter.com. Thanks for watching.